Hello guys, to all my Facebook friends and followers, good morning. If you found my Facebook profile now, it means that you are in the right place and at the right time. You know why? Because today I'm going to give a brief introduction of how the fuel gas delivery supply station works. Actually, this is the continuation of my previous blog which discuss about the same project. But now, I'm going to give you a brief introduction of how the fuel gas delivery supply station works. As you can see in this plan view, this is the plan view and this is the elevation. I have provided below the 3D model. So for you to be able to fully understand what is the concept behind this fuel delivery station. So I will give you a brief description of this assembly. This is the pig launcher and the remaining components: ball valve, barred T, there is emergency shutdown valve, and up to the point of fuel gas delivery point. There are also several instrumentation like TE and PT. TE and PT, what do you mean by this? In the piping system and instrumentation diagram, TE is the most commonly stands for the temperature element and PT stands for pressure transmitter. This plays a vital role in sa operation of the pipelines. If you can see, there are loop here. You can see in this plan view, and I will show you in the 3D model. This is the loop. Later on, I'm going to ask you and give you a trivia on why there is a loop on this pipeline. What is the purpose of this? Now I'm going to show you the components from pig launcher, ball valve, and barred T. What is the barred T, by the way? I will show you one example of barred T. This is barred T. Actually, a barred T is a specialized pipe fitting with internal steel bars welded across the branch outlet, used in piggable pipelines. This is to block the pig from entering the branch while allowing fluid to flow. Are you following me? I'm sure you will find my discussion a very interesting topic. Now let us go back to plan view and elevations. If you can see here, in between the loop, there is ESDB. What is ESDB? ESDB is the emergency shutdown valve. There is a loop here. We call this as bypass. Later I will give you a brief explanation how and why we required loop on this line. Now let us go back to 3D model. Actually, this fuel gas delivery supply station works. This is the main component, which is the pig launcher, and they are pushing the fuel gas delivery supply up to the fuel gas delivery station, or delivery point rather. See, there are ball valve, pipe T, which is barred T, and there is a bypass line here. The purpose of the bypass line is to isolate just in case there is an emergency shutdown or maintenance, it will allow the system maintenance without shutdown. So they are going to isolate the lines by shutting down this emergency shutdown valve, and the gas supply will flow on this bypass line. That is the purpose of the bypass line. So definitely the operation won't stop. The operation won't stop. It will continue regardless if there is a maintenance operation. That is the crucial role of the bypass line. By the way, I'm going to give you simple explanation. If you can see, this is above the underground. This line goes underground. So we call this the above underground is we call that in terminology in piping as daylighting. Daylighting means that is above underground, and this one is the barred piping. So what is the purpose of the barred piping actually? Actually, the purpose of barred piping is to safely transport the essential resources like water, oil, gas, and sewage underground, protecting them from damage, weather, and disruption, while also preserving surface space for other use like building roads and landscaping. That is the main purpose why the pipeline has underground piping. So from this assembly, you can easily understand, even if you are not an oil and gas personnel or a technical person, based on my explanation and brief description, you will have an idea how this fuel gas delivery supply station works. So from main equipment, which is the pig launcher, up to the fuel gas delivery point. So just in case there is an emergency shutdown or maintenance, that is the main purpose why they are providing bypass line and the emergency shutdown valve. Okay, now guys, I hope that for today I give you a very informative discussion. So hopefully in the next content, you will support me by sharing or giving me like or comment in my profile page. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye-bye.